Hello, Kaylin.
Hello, Rory.
You have to say welcome to Enchanting Eyes.
Welcome to Enchanting Eyes.
Welcome to the Thighs Chant.
Hey everybody, so excuse the fact that I'm definitely not glammed up. I just wanted to insert a disclaimer in the beginning of this video because all the boys clearly had a little bit of liquid courage to take the edge off when filming the video because they were a little bit nervous and clearly had too much liquid courage and the intro made no sense. So today's video is basically all the guys are going to put on different red lipsticks. We've got Smashbox, Anastasia Beverly Hills and Kylie Cosmetics, and we are doing a red lipstick wear test, and they're going to eat a bunch of food and have drinks and just talk nonsense. And anyway, I hope you enjoy the video, guys.
On today's video, we put colors on our lips.
Colors.
Put eye colors.
And then what are we going to do? Can you eat
And
food?
then we're gonna eat the food.
Must
We're
we
gonna
all
put
put it on the
food in
same
our
time?
mouth.
Don't move! Don't move!
Okay, we're gonna have oral fixation with the food.
Use the mirror.
Don't do this.
Come on, hold it for all three of us. This is called a reflection. Look at yourself.
I think my lips are almost red now.
What am I putting on?
Kylie Cosmetics.
Wait, I want to do that thing that girls do.
The thing.
Look, my lips are red.
I'm putting on Kylie's thighs.
Kylie's thighs. The sad thing is that Josh is chewing your lips. You did that bad job.
My lips are red now.
You look beautiful.
Kylie, this is a food test.
How do I
Okay,
do
Ori,
this?
come on.
Do I just put
They
it
call me
on?
Rudolph
Hang
the
on.
Red-Nosed
Can we do- I
Lipstick.
feel like I did a good job.
Ah!
Ori, are you going to go like this? Rub your lips together, Ori.
I don't think
Wait, do I put it on both
that
lips?
is what I call it tones.
I don't know how to work my mouth now.
Just put your lips on.
That's how you put lipstick on for a date.
How far in do I put it in my mouth?
That's what she said.
That's what she said. That's what she said.
So sorry.
Ori enjoys.
Do you think I can drink whiskey without this going honky?
Oh, look over here.
This is a clean glass.
Hey, Ori, Kaylin.
It's still a clean glass. Look how good my lips look. I did that.
You make me.
This video is not sponsored, nor is it an advertisement for
Anastasia didn't sponsor this.
redlips.com.
I messed up.
You have to put your fingers up like this so they
I made it worse. I didn't know I could make it worse.
Give us a sexy
I'm gonna
face.
put a heart in
Okay, enough, Kaylin. Give it back. You've had enough.
Why is
Give
it
it back.
dry in my mouth?
Because it's a liquid lipstick. You guys all have liquid lipsticks. So
Okay, I'm gonna put on the
Can
inside of
I-
my lip.
Can I do this and fix it?
Okay, Josh, that's enough.
Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. This is what I'm gonna do.
Communist red.
I got my teeth.
Wipe your teeth.
Okay, I know I'm gonna fix this. I'm gonna just make my lips thicker. 'Cause
Okay, can we eat food now? I'm hungry.
Okay, so this
Wait.
channel,
This is not sponsored by Anastasia in any way,
this,
shape or
this,
form.
this channel,
Or McDonald's, they didn't sponsor us.
this channel is all about
Okay, then here's your cheeseburger.
it's your husband.
Ori,
cheeseburgers for when you need Rhea's burgers.
Here's my cheeseburger. Kaylin seems a bit like he's out of it.
Wait, you guys are going to say you're going to see whose lipstick stays on the best.
Let's see who stays on the best.
Exactly.
I got a feeling Ori did the best job. He's the most
Yes.
mature out of all of us.
What the sugar?
Kaylin, you're out of frame.
Come in, Kaylin.
I am so in the frame, they call me Framey. So this challenge is about eating food and seeing which lipstick can
First
last
bite, my burger's still clean.
the patty.
Have we just claimed we've been drinking?
Watch, let's see how this compares.
By the lack of lipstick on this, I can eat all the burgers.
And which lipstick are you wearing?
The Beverly Hills one by Anastasia.
What am I wearing?
Buy it.
Smashbox.
It is Anastasia.
I'm wearing
This is
Bob
your
by
one.
That's
Smash.
mine.
You want Kylie.
I'm wearing.
I'm wearing.
I'm wearing this one.
What's the
Ori's
name
wearing
of this color? This is periodical red.
Oh God, no.
Do you think Little Dicky wear this one when he became Kylie Jenner in his music video?
Yes.
I'm Kendall Jenner.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
I wear this lipstick on special occasions like
Any day.
strip nuts.
I want this white one. I want this one because I don't know what it is.
I'm having pink because it's the closest shade to red next to fade.
Are they nuggets?
We are making a video here, Kaylee. This is not McDonald's.
Remember, if you're not subscribed, press the link below
Yes.
or eat some white snow.
Why do I look like a clown?
Why white snow?
Give yourself a name.
Are my lips still
Why do
red?
you guys all drags names?
My name is Sasha von Winkenhuizen.
It sounds like for Russian. What's your name, Ori?
Gigolo Shushu.
Okay.
Is this real?
I don't even have a comeback from that.
So I would just like to give an update. The pink has not affected these luscious clips of lips. My lips are really good.
Not
Look
one
at that,
photo.
man.
Are mine good?
Tell me you wouldn't kiss that man in the purple light district. He looks
Is it
like...
Purple Light District?
3 hours later.
Okay,
So I lost my glasses from eating a burger.
I drank whiskey.
He drank whiskey with a guy named Risky.
If you love yourself, kiss yourself.
If you love yourself, kiss yourself, just nothing more than that.
And listen to the Demi Lovato song.
Yes, because going solo is better than going hard. Okay, so we're about to
And if you like lipstick, put it on.
we're about to test nuggets. So
Trying to
nuggets,
do a meaningful message here, please, guys.
Ori,
What would you like us to
Guys,
say?
We are doing a
please,
meaningful
What would you like us to say?
you are BTS, stay behind the...
burgers and this is last.
So
Okay.
far, out of the nuggets burgers, whiskey, and chicken burgers, my lipstick has lasted. Well done, Anastasia.
My lipstick is only slowly dissipating because I am not conducting the
Fine.
right tests for my lips. So a nugget versus...
No.
What lipstick is this? Young lady?
Smashbox.
So Nugget versus Smashbox, who will win? Tune in to see. Tune in to see who
The
wins.
sauce all over his shoe.
Okay, so this is the ultimate test. Watch this to see if you should buy this.
I haven't tried whiskey yet. Wait, let's try whiskey. With
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really.
If you're a boy or a girl, put lipstick on if you love it. Don't listen to Ori. Don't listen to
I
Kenny.
think you should wear lipstick if
If
you want to
you
wear
believe
lipstick.
you're a girl on the inside, let it show, girl.
There we go.
Are you?
Listen to Kenny. This is Enchanting Eyes. Subscribe over here.
This is Enchanting
Like over here,
Eyes.
as Gerlin said. We'll be back next week with a new video.
Remember, red lipstick can beat a nugget biscuit.
Like, okay, that made good
Say
sense.
bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, time for...
Hey, bye.